This video is brought to you by my friends over at guitarvivo.com. Go and check out Ross Campbell's new book, Beyond Pentatonic Blues Guitar, now. Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription, and today we are looking at Ross Campbell. Now, I've been a professional transcriber now for longer than I care to admit, and I've got to do transcriptions for a lot of fabulous guitar players. And one of the younger talented players that I've been doing transcriptions for the last couple of years is Ross. Now, Ross is a fabulous player, and his YouTube channel is twice as big as mine. So if you're watching me but you're unfamiliar with Ross, that would be a big surprise. So do go and check him out. He's excellent. This video is to promote his new book, Beyond Pentatonic Blues Guitar. Stick around to the end and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. He's a fabulous player and you should probably pick up a copy of this book if you want to play like him. So, Beyond Pentatonic Blues Guitar is aimed at the intermediate guitar player who feels that they have exhausted the pentatonic and blues scale in their routines, and they wonder why they can't solo like some of their favourite modern blues guitar players. It discusses some more sophisticated chord targeting scales and even some outside sounds. It's quite a meaty book. Comes in at about 185 pages, somewhere around there. Yeah, and it's fabulous. My good friend and student, actually, Jeff, transcribed it. So you know that those transcriptions are going to be excellent. It is well worth checking out. I'm impressed by the amount of work that's gone into this. The guys over at Guitar Vivo are really knocking it out of the park. And as you heard from that little transcription there, Ross is a fabulous player. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's talking about. And he's a great teacher. So any questions about this book, let me know in that comment section below. And if you do pick up a copy, let me know how you get on with it. I'm very, very happy with how this has turned out. And yeah, I hope it does well for Ross because he absolutely deserves it. Go and support hardworking players. I'll see you for another video soon.